For the 3 points by Sol Mayor. Ang score natin ay all 85. 12 to shoot. 7 to shoot. Ang oras natin, 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Last time natin na kayo. Last time natin na.
12 to shoot. Number 17, pass to 15. Follow for 2 points by Jersey of timeout. Last 45 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 1, atake. Ulit for 2 points by Jersey number 1. Ngunit nakagawan. Low. Last 20 seconds. Low. Low. 15 seconds. 10 to shoot.
5 to shoot.
Pass to the for 2 points by jersey number 15. Number 1 attack. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha ni 17. Atake. Binigay. 47 for the 3. Not good. Nakuha ni. Nakakorner kaya company. Ngunit nawala yung bola. 15 to shoot. Good. Tumira. Wala pa rin. 10 to shoot. Tumira. Not good. Jersey number 17, rebound. Number 17, Almador. Binigay kay 07. 07, sige, dead ball. Tumira, not good. Lawan ni 27. Grabe, gulik. Wait lang. 15 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. To shoot. Sarala. Binigay 17 atake. Ang ganda ng pasa. Connect for 2 points by Jersey Navatan. GGM. Last 1 minute and 33 seconds. Babawi ng 3. Not good. Number 15. 15, nagmamadali. Kalmado lang, naghalap ng kakampi. Mako-corner. Ngunit nakuha ni 15 to shoot. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni 35. Natabik ni Balor. Si Padilla, hindi ko naman sabi. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Tumira. 3 points by Company. Last 1 minute. 0-3. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng GGM. Ngunit, tumama. Natapik. Pass to number 1. Number 1. 15 to shoot. Lim. Last 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Wala. Nakuha ni Saddam. Saddam binigay kay jersey number. Nakalibre. Time out. 10 to shoot. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha ni Tess Gab. Limit by foul. 0-3. Pass to. Pass to. Pass to. Last 10 seconds. 15. Tumira. Wala. Last 5 seconds.